Hello friends, today I am going to show you about Dell 27-inch E2722H model monitor. It is full HD monitor featuring a wide viewing angle and an eco-conscious design at an accessible price. It's with the resolution 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz with IPS technology panel. And also it's having VGA and DisplayPort. In this wide viewing angle, you can see your work in super full HD clarity. IPS technology delivers consistent color and picture quality across a wide 170-degree viewing angle. This monitor has a flicker-free screen with ComfortView. It's having a software feature that reduces harmful blue light emissions. It's designed to optimize eye comfort even over an extended period of time. Its input voltage is AC 100 to 240 watts. And power consumption is 30 watt maximum. This monitor can be recommended to anyone who need to work multiple applications in one monitor or who need to use it as a wall mounted or with dual monitor arms. Hope this video gives you a basic idea about this monitor. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.